So Oppo's chief of product, Pete Lau, who's by the way also the founder of OnePlus, posted this on his X account. Now this is a picture of a foldable phone besides what looks strikingly similar to the Z Fold 6. But what do you think he's trying to imply over here? Is this cryptic message supposed to say something? Well, if you observe closely, apart from the rounded edges which we can see on the phone on the left, you can barely see any of the crease on the screen, and that is the big talking point about the Oppo N5. Yes, Oppo's next foldable phone is touted to be launched globally this month on the 20th, and there's obviously a lot of excitement around this one. Why? Because many people are calling this one the thinnest foldable phone in the market right now. So renders of the phone are already out, and just so you should know that Oppo N5 will be launched in India with a different branding, possibly the OnePlus Open 2, and it will be similar to what happened in 2023 when the N3 was launched as the OnePlus Open. Now leaks suggest that 3 new colors will be introduced and will hit the shelf with the N5: purple, white and black. But well, what do you think about these colors? Some of the global tech bloggers already got their hands on the device and have been flaunting its features and its design on social media. Now the design looks strikingly similar to the OnePlus Open with a more sleeker hands feel, if I can say that, and it's almost neck and neck with the Honor Magic V3, which currently is the slimmest foldable in the market right now. I mean, people online are calling it crazy thin, which really is making me a lot curious. How thin can this one be? We'll have to wait and see when it comes to Fiiber. Now, if we go with some of the specifications that we have seen online, this will be the first foldable phone in the market to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It will also come with a 5600 mAh battery, and the big headline making feature of the N5 is the integration with DeepSeek. Now, people who are unaware about DeepSeek, this is basically a Chinese version of ChatGPT, which is better than ChatGPT in many of the departments, as we have seen multiple news reports around this. And the best part about DeepSeek is that it's free to use. Even ChatGPT's Pro model isn't free to use, so I mean, that's the advantage. Similar to what the iPhone does with the ChatGPT integration for Apple Intelligence, we can expect the N5 will have a similar integration for DeepSeek. How fluid and responsive this is, we'll have to wait and see. I don't think the device will come to India because this is the Chinese variant, and a lot of countries, I think even in India, we have problem with DeepSeek and the way its privacy rules kind of use a lot of data of Indian users. So we might not get the DeepSeek version, we might get some other AI integration, but we'll have to wait and see how that works out. Res 8 is expected to receive a Hasselblad triple camera setup on the back with 2 8-megapixel shooters, which will act as selfies, one on the front and one on the main display. Talking about the main display, it is expected to be bumped up to 8.12 inches this time, and it is also expected that the phone will come with 50-watt wireless charging. Now, keeping specs aside for a moment, I am waiting to see how will people react when this foldable hits the market, because the foldable market in India, to be very honest, hasn't really picked up in the past few months. I mean, foldables aren't really mass market devices. India is a very different market altogether when you consider special, niche devices like these, and consider the economics at play here, because flagships like these will cost around 1.5 lakhs. Starting price would be around that, and people really want utility and style, a combination of both of these. And with the upgrades coming to the N5, will people really feel that it's getting the best of both worlds? Remember that India will also get the N5 in the form of the OnePlus Open 2, which will come following a few weeks after the launch of the N5. The big question is, how will India receive it? Because the OnePlus Open, remember, was a good device. It had all the features, top of the line specifications, and it really garnered a lot of interest among Indian users. Will the OnePlus Open 2 be able to replicate that kind of a success in India? Well, that will be interesting, because the foldable markets, as we saw, is struggling a right bit, but you never know, the Open 2 can change all of that. So this was a quick video around the rumors of the Oppo N5. Remember Do comment and let us know what you feel about the foldable that is coming to the global market. And again, what do you think the OnePlus Open 2 should do? Should the DeepSeek integration really happen, or some other AI models should be used with the Open 2? Let us know in the comment section, and as soon as the device comes to Fiiber, we'll be getting you a first look and a review of this device. Till then, stay tuned.